Some of the plants in my farm stand by Lettuce Grow are a little overdue for a replacement, or they just didn't fare well in some of our recent heat waves, so I decided to order some new seedlings to replace those out. I did a whole review video about the farm stand, so if you missed it, check out the link in the description of this video for that video. I am also still needing to test out trying my own seeds in these growing cups, but I still had some seedling credits to use from the company. They also recently said that their seedlings are now new and improved, so I wanted to see those improvements. Apparently, they are grown in a more organic, biodegradable grow medium, and from what it looks like, the soil is basically wrapped in something biodegradable to hold it together. So it should fit better in the cups, be less messy, and also hold up in shipping better. And speaking of shipping, they are now asking people to pay an additional $2.65 per seedling order due to their summer heat policy. So they will no longer be taking care of people who receive dead or damaged seedlings unless you paid the $2.65. I am not sure if they will continue some other kind of shipping policy after the summer, but you can opt out of paying the $2.65, but you just can't get a free replacement or credit if any arrive damaged. I did choose to opt out of it, so hopefully they are still in good condition. Well, I'm a little disappointed. So I ordered a bunch of seedlings because I had a bunch of credits. And I'm not disappointed at the seedling quality because they actually do look pretty good. Except I think these are strawberries right here and they're just teeny tiny. I mean, I could have started a lot of this probably from seed and it would be bigger than this in like a week. And these are supposedly 2-week-old seedlings, but these don't look like 2-week-old seedlings to me. So whatever, but what I am disappointed in is it doesn't look like they gave me the updated seedlings. So they advertised that the seedlings were going to be in their new growing medium, and clearly they didn't. So that was a little bit of false advertising. Again, luckily I had some seedling credits that the company gave me for testing out their unit last year. So, you know, I didn't spend money on this. Had I spent money on this, I would be upset because it was supposed to be the newer growing medium and I was really excited to try it. But at least all the seedlings look okay. So I'm gonna get these into the farm stand. Oh wait, it does look like at least one of them is the new pod. Let's see. Kind of. Yeah, it does look like this is one of the newer ones, but it's definitely not like that on all of them. So far it looks to be just on the one. Let me just open this one up. See. Just open this one up and take a look. Yeah, it looks like they only sent me one of the newer packaged seeds. And it does look like it's stronger. Obviously, you know, the soil's not crumbling as much, but yeah, kind of a bummer that they only sent me one. Here's another strawberry plant, and it's so small. I don't know if they meant 2 weeks by the date that it was sown or 2 weeks from germination, but it's small. This is a mini cucumber, and I am glad to see them listing more realistic replacement dates because the mini cucumber I got from them in June had a replacement date of July 16th, basically saying the plant won't last longer than a month. But obviously I kept mine in and it hasn't produced anything yet, but it wouldn't make sense to take it out so soon. It's just ridiculous because cucumbers can grow for at least a few months. But now this one is saying to replace it in October, which makes more sense. I wouldn't expect a cucumber to make it past that time. I have my new seedlings put in, and again, I only got to try one of their new and improved seedlings, and it was definitely less messy and easier to put in the growing cup, but I am disappointed that they only sent me one of them. I ordered these more than a month after they advertised the new ones, so it just felt misleading to say that they were improved, but then only send me one that actually was. But at least they all came in good condition, especially since I didn't pay for the insurance, but the seedlings are quite small for 2-week-old seedlings, but hopefully these will grow well for me. And stay tuned for my experiment with trying out my own seeds in the cups.